Let's try this problem. During a mission near the Hidden Leaf's central rotunda, Shikamaru was tasked with planning a tactical escape route. While walking around the circular inner road surrounding the center monument, he measured the full circular path using pacing. He recorded these paces while walking exactly one loop around the circular road: 189, 177, 169.9, 185, 171.5, and 179. Shikamaru's pace factor is 0.75 meter per pace. The road is circular, so we assume he walked the full circumference. Now, A. Find the average number of paces Shikamaru made. B. Calculate the perimeter circumference of the circular road. And C. Determine the radius of the circular road. First, to get the average number of paces, do the summation of these all paces: 189 plus 177 plus 169.9 plus 185 plus 171.5 plus 179 is equal to 1071.4 meter over how many times? 6 is equal to 178.57 meter average number of paces. Next, letter B, calculate the perimeter of the circular road. So, P, the perimeter, is equals to PF, or pace factor, multiplied by paces. Substitute 0.75 meter per pace multiplied by 178.57 paces. Cancel. The perimeter is equal to 133.93 meter, or simply 133.93 meters. And the last, determine the radius of the circular road. So since we have the formula na C is equals to 2 pi r. Substitute lang natin. Yung C is 133.93 meters equals to 2 pi r. Input sa calculator, then shift solve. The radius is equals to 21.31 meter.